In one concept, it is an excellent law. It's predicated upon a United States Supreme Court decision. Now, the wording in that law, I believe that the attorney should be compensated. Now, the wording the Texas legislature gave us for this law, I think, is a little awkward. So in that sense, it's a bad law because it's not phrased with enough specifics that we can tell exactly what the legislature meant. Here in Dallas, we have gotten across to the attorneys that we will only pay for one appearance in court, meaning all of the courts that day. Even though an attorney may have to appear in more than one court, we will only pay him for the appearance in one court, the $50 fee.
Okay, do you think that the system encourages abuse? Are there any inequities?
Well, the inequities are that the quality of the legal representation should not be measured by how many times the attorney appears in court. Attorneys can manipulate that. In other words, if they have a great number of clients, obviously they manipulate the courts in which they wish to appear. Mm-hmm. And the whole practice of law is predicated upon that. Civil attorneys, all of them, have a number of clients, you see. And they bring these cases to trial and make appearances as they work their business. The legal profession is controlled by the attorneys, as it should be, in the same sense that the medical profession is controlled by the doctors. The fee being predicated upon an appearance in court is really not a fair measure, you see. And I've seen a number of attorneys do a great deal of work in defending an individual, so much so that the state would eventually dismiss the case. Mm-hmm. And here he's not appeared in court, and the only predicate for paying is an appearance in court, you see. So it's unfair to predicate it upon that basis. I personally prefer the appointive attorney system to the public defender system for a number of reasons. Of the two systems, I think the highest quality of representation is in an appointive system where the bar as a group handles the legal business. It makes $1 million a year is a lot of money, and I would think that if the indigent attorney fees reached that level where it was considerably cheaper and cheaper to have a public defender system, that there would be a movement to go in that direction. I wouldn't encourage it. I do not believe that the criminal bar would encourage it, but economics are economics.